Hi friends, thank you for tuning in. I am back with motif number 31 from this Irish crochet book. We are going to go ahead and use a 3mm crochet hook. The pattern looks something like this. It's a really cute flower that turns out like this. It is crocheted using padding cord. Now I'm using this bright orange padding cord just so you can see what I'm doing, and a green as an overlay. Ideally you'd be using the same colour padding cord and overlay yarn as whatever colour you choose. Please like the video just because it helps other crocheters find my videos. Let's get into it. We're going to go ahead and start off by chaining 5. I tend to just secure my yarn like this, just by wrapping it around like that. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Go ahead and slip stitch or single crochet in that first chain space there like that. We are going to drop 18 single crochets in this center space here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And then we're gonna slip stitch into the first chain space there like that. So this is the foundation of our motif, nice and complete. What we're going to do now is chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and then we're going to slip stitch into the same chain space as we started in. So we've got almost this little round little picot stitch here. Now we need to add our padding cord because we're going to crochet around this. So to join the padding cord, I tend to just place my crochet hook through it like that, take my dominant yarn and just chain one like that. I tend to keep the padding cord inside and the overlay yarn outside so I can control the padding cord with my hand. We're now going to work around the padding cord. So we are going to go ahead and we're going to slip stitch into the next chain like this. And now we're going to work around the padding cord. So we are going to start off with 2 single crochet around the padding cord. 1, 2. We're then going to go in with a half double crochet, another half double crochet like that. Then we're going to do 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to do the same thing back down as we did here. So we've got 2 half double crochet. Then we've got 2 single crochet. 1, 2, like that. Now we are going to go ahead and slip stitch into the next chain space from where we started. There. So I've got a slip stitch there. I'm just going to pull that tight a little bit. And what we're going to do now is we're going to slip stitch into the next chain space and make this little thing here. So we are going to do chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and into the same chain space, go ahead and slip stitch like that. And that literally is the pattern all the way around. So we're working around the padding cord here, and then we're doing these little chain 6 spaces. So I'm going to do one more with you. So around the padding cord, I'm going to go ahead and do 2 single crochet, do 2 half double crochet, do 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, do 2 half double crochet, do 2 single crochet, 1, 2, and then slip stitch back into the base into the next chain space. And then we are slip stitching into the next chain space. And now we're going to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're going to slip stitch back into the same chain space like that. So your work should be looking something like this. It looks a little bit alien at the moment because obviously it's not complete. So I'm going to crack on with this off camera, and then I'm going to come back and show you what the final finished piece looks like. So I'm just slip stitching and finishing off my flower, and this is what the flower looks like. It actually is really pretty, almost like a 3D piece, especially with these center chain 6 spaces. It adds a lot of depth. So what you will do is, after you've completed your piece, you'll snip the yarn and go weave it into the back of your piece. I'm not going to do that because I'm only making this motif just for demonstration purposes, but I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please like, comment and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything too, but it means the absolute world to me. Motif number 32 will be out soon, so please look out for that. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.